In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a credit or debit card from your eBay account. This is an essential task, especially if you're looking to update your payment methods or simply want more control over your financial information connected to your account. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to eBay. It's as simple as typing ebay.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're at the eBay homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your eBay username and password to access your account details. After you've logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your name or a profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will direct you to a page that houses all the main sections for managing your eBay account, from personal information to payment details and more. Now that you're in the account settings area, look for a section titled Payment Information. Under this heading, you should see an option labeled Payments. Clicking this option will bring you to a page detailing the current payment methods you have linked to your eBay account. If you have a credit or debit card linked, it will appear here. When you spot the card you want to remove, you simply click on it. This will present you with actions you can perform on this card. Click on the Delete option, which should be right next to or below the card information. eBay will usually ask you to confirm this action to ensure you really want to delete this payment method from your account. Carefully confirm your decision, and just like that, your card will be unlinked from eBay. And with that, you're all set. Removing a card is a straightforward process, but a crucial one to ensure that your payment methods stay updated. If you ever get a new card or decide to change banks, you now know exactly how to manage this part of your eBay account confidently. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to navigate your eBay account settings and manage your payment information effectively. It's small tasks like these that help maintain your financial security online and keep your account details organized. Don't forget to check back for more tips and guides on managing your digital life. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and we'll try to help you out.